Are you above 70 years old and in need of medical attention? Family Medicare and Heart Center in Palwal has the perfect solution for you. We are organizing a general medical camp exclusively for elderly persons. This camp will be held every Saturday in July and August, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Medical camp for elderly, and guess what? The consultation, ECG, and blood sugar testing are all free of cost. That's right, you can get the medical attention you need without worrying about expenses. Our team of experienced doctors and medical professionals will be there to provide you with the best care possible. We understand the importance of regular checkups for the elderly population. That's why we have made it easy and accessible for you. All you have to do is show up at the Family Medicare and Heart Center in Palwal. You don't need any prior appointment or paperwork. Just walk in and receive immediate attention from our dedicated medical staff. We believe in prioritizing your health and well-being. That's why we are offering this service free of cost. We want to ensure that every elderly person has access to quality healthcare. So, spread the word among your friends and family members who are above 70 years old. Encourage them to take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Together, let's make sure that no elderly person goes without proper medical care. Attend the General Medical Camp at Family Medicare and Heart Center in Palwal and take control of your health. We promise you a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with staff who genuinely care about your well-being. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to receive free consultation, ECG, and blood sugar testing. Your health matters, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Join us on Saturdays in July and August, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Let's come together and make a difference in the lives of elderly persons in our community. Together, we can ensure that they receive the medical attention they deserve. Spread the word and let's make this general medical camp a huge success.